The high frequency and tricky words for this week are so, do, out, the, children, just, help, don't. Are there any words that you might find difficult? Some of these words have parts in them that break the rules, like the in so and do, which makes the o and oo sound, or the in out, which makes the ow sound, or the in the, which makes the sound. Children is quite a long word, so try and use the chunky monkey method and break it up, like children. And lastly, don't. This is a contracted word, which means that it should be the word do not, but a lazy sloth leaves letters out and uses an apostrophe instead, and spells it apostrophe t. The more you practice reading these words, the easier it becomes to recognize them. Can you remember this week's high frequency and tricky words? The words are so, do, out, the, children, just, help, don't. Can you say them in a big voice? Pause here. Do you know the meaning of all of the words? If not, ask an adult for help, or why not use a dictionary? To find out how to use a dictionary, watch this video. The link is in the description. Let's say this week's high frequency and tricky words together. Are you ready? So, do, out, the, children, just, help, don't. Now can you say them in a tiny voice? Pause here. Can you make a sentence with one or more of these words? Here's mine. The children just don't want to play today, so we are going out to help pick up litter. Hopefully you can now recognize all of these words. If not, ask a friend or adult for help. Today let's play a game of tennis to practice. This game is played when you find a partner and then one of you says the word and the other person repeats it. Then you move on to the next word and the next. It's almost as if you're batting the word between each other. Have a go. Pause here. Today, have a look at all the words and see which ones you need to practice more. Then, using the different voices, try and say them to a friend. Pause here. If you're interested in any of these resources, they're available on the PayHip store. Please click like, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe.